You will need a ruler, scissors, card or paper in 2 different colours and white, glue and a black pen. Firstly, take one of your coloured pieces of card or paper and make a square by drawing a line across about 21 centimetres down. This means the length will be the same length as the width. Cut down the line until you're left with a square. So you're just cutting a bit of the rectangle off. There we go, you don't need that bit. Then, take one corner of your square and fold it up to meet the opposite corner. Press down to create a neat bend or crease. Then take one side corner and fold up towards the middle point of the triangle. Do the same with the other side so that you create a straight line down the middle. Then open them back out and you'll see a square shape in the middle. Take the middle point of the triangle on one side of the card and fold it down to meet the bottom line of the triangle. Next, take the side corners again, one at a time, and fold them up and over the bottom folded triangle. This is the base of your bookmark. Now take your white card or paper and make some eyes. I'm bending the paper over and cutting a circle free-handed. Because I bent the paper, I've doubled up and have 2 eyes of the same size. Draw black circles for the pupils and glue them onto the triangles on your bookmark. Next is the teeth. I'm going to cut out a zigzag shape. You need good scissor skills here. So you're up and down, zigzag for some scary monster teeth. Glue them under the 2 folded triangles. Finally, cut a square out of your second piece of coloured card or paper. This just gives it a little bit more colour. Check it fits okay and glue it under the face or the teeth. And there you have your bookmark to place on the corner of your pages in your books. Thank you for watching. Have fun!